Hey, I'm David Clubs with Engineering at Regulator Marine, standing here at the back of our assembly shop in Edenton, North Carolina. We've had some people say they want the 25 back. It fits the market. This is a great boat. This is the first one we're doing again. First boat for this model year in the 25. Look, twin 250s. So 250 V6 engines, good performance, quick little boat. I'm going to go upstairs and show you what's inside the belly. So I just walked over the integrated bracket. We do have the tuna step. The tuna door would flip up lid and swing out door. Let me get on top of the fuel tank. 160-gallon fuel tank. What you're seeing in here is the rough-in plumbing, electric work. We've got the plumbing for the live well, the bilge pump, some raw water systems going in. We've got all the engine rigging, some battery harnesses going. Our bilge harness, the whole ship harness, we build in-house now in our integrated wire shop. So what's behind me is more of the harness for the hull and the liner all coming together. Going to go through these pull tubes. It also gets pull strings in it for later installation of custom outfitting later on, either by you or your dealer or service years from now. Right up here, you won't be able to see it from that view, but it's the standard electric head pump out. And if we go forward, you'll see the integrated optional through stem windlass system, and then right behind me, or actually in front of me behind the camera, is the liner for this boat. Guys are doing finish wiring on this. It's just about to set. But y'all, the 25 is back. I'm holding up progress. We're going to set this liner here, so let me get it away.